Started in the 19th century, along with the development of interport trade, freight forwarding began in Singapore. In the early 80s, Singapore-based freight forwarders began expanding to Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. In the mid-80s, eventually they have advanced to include logistics services such as warehousing, inventory management, and configuration. Now, Singapore has become one of the prominent logistic hubs in the world, as well as Asia's largest cargo airport, handling approximately 1/7 of the world's container transshipment, which connects 200 shipping lines in 123 countries.
Global factors affecting logistics in Singapore. The rise of Chinese ports. In the short run, it will have a positive impact on Singapore due to the increase in trade between China and the ASEAN countries. However, in the long run, it will have a negative impact due to containers being transported directly instead of transshipped via Singapore. Another factor will be increasing size of vessels. It may outpace the development of port and landside infrastructure needed to support them. If the trade route becomes too thin, vessel operator may bypass Singapore. Local factors affecting logistics in Singapore. Located at the heart of the east-west trading routes, Singapore acts as a hub to emerging markets that surround it, making it a key transshipment center between east and west. Singapore has stood out as a trusted and reliable logistics hub through its strong reputation for transparency, pro-business policies, trusted legal and corporate governance system. 20 of the 25 top global logistics players like DHL, TNT, and FedEx have set up their regional nerve center in Singapore. Singapore also actively improved the IT system as well as adopting new systems that help boost the operational efficiencies, allowing Singapore's logistic operation to be one of the best among the world. Example, TradeNet, where permits can be obtained within minutes. The government are also proactive in opening doors for business through bilateral and multilateral initiatives, the extensive network of free trade agreements with 21 trading partners to enhance access to major markets. Also, by having an investment guarantee agreements and avoidance of double taxation agreements makes Singapore an appealing place to do logistic business. However, Singapore local market is relatively small compared to other major transport hubs and with relatively high cost of operation. The logistics industry is also highly fragmented with shortage of skilled, experienced, and entrepreneurial logistics professionals. Recommendations. Governments can continue to facilitate the growth of innovation in the logistics industry in order to meet the demands of logistics and supply chain by investing in education to produce a skilled workforce and increasing policies to increase build on R&D infrastructure. Government can also lower corporate tax rate to attract foreign direct investors. For entry recommendation, joint venture is recommended as Singapore logistics industry possesses world-class infrastructure and logistic knowledge.